Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know when this video is going to be uploaded, but I want to say hi. Today is Saturday, June 15th. It is my wife's birthday, and it is also our going away party. Now, let me first rant a little bit, okay? I'm in the car, I'm driving, yeah, I'm sorry. But let me first rant just a little bit. We are having our going away party today, and we were supposed to have it outdoors. We paid money, we rented some table and chairs and everything. We also were supposed to have a live band, and you know, just like the whole shebang bang. And it was supposed to be lovely. However, God himself and Mother Nature had other plans for us because it is nasty outside. It is raining like crazy, thundering, like just the whole nine. I know it's only 12 o'clock. The party's supposed to start at 5, but this rain is definitely not going anywhere. It's supposed to actually rain like this, not just all weekend, but even into next week. Like, it's supposed to rain every day, all day. So I'm a little heartbroken. Not a little, I'm a bit heartbroken behind this weather, because we had, sorry y'all, my hair, I don't know what it's doing. I washed it. I tried to color it to get rid of my grays. If y'all saw in my previous video, I had grays like everywhere up here, right? So I tried to wash it, whatever. But yeah, like, it's nasty out. I mean, we are moving the party in the house, because it's at my mom's house. So we're moving the party in the house, but we have to eliminate the band because I don't think that there's going to be enough room for them in the house, and for all of the guests and everything. You know, my mom, she lives by herself, so she is in an apartment, number one, and we were just having it, and she has like this really big yard in her apartment because she lives on the corner. So we were able to have everything set up in her yard, but it's not gonna work like that. So her house, oh excuse me, her house is not all that big, so I don't know how this is gonna play out, but I'm hoping that it works out for the best. I'm hoping people are not sitting on top of each other, you know, in the house, or maybe the rain will let up by tonight. I don't foresee that happening, neither does the meteorologist, but hey, we'll see what happens. But I just wanted to get that quick rant out of the way, because yeah, I woke up feeling some type of way about it. When I looked outside, I watched the news and they were talking about the rain and how it's gonna be really bad today. Today is like the wettest day of the weekend, and this and this and this, and I'm like, you got to be shitting me. Why? So anyway, I just wanted to get that out of the way. So right now I'm on my way to pick up my wife's cake and the cupcakes, and some more alcohol because she put together this little concoction. And then I gotta go home. I gotta cook still. I have to help clean up still. I've gotta help set up still. Just a whole lot to do, and it's 12 o'clock. On top of get dressed. So yeah, so that's pretty much my day. I told you guys in my last video, I believe that I was going to vlog the actual party. So that's what I'm doing, and wanted to start off with, you know, this segment of the day. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like out here. Like, it's ugly, but I'm pulling up at the store. I'm gonna run in here and get what I gotta get, and then I shall return in a bit. I feel like we should have just had the party in July. I don't know. Like, maybe we should have just had the party right before we left. That's kind of how I'm feeling at this point. Because this weather is reminding me of a spring day. Like, you cannot tell me this is summer weather. So anyway, so let me find a park and run into this store, and I'll be back.